Good morning, children. This is Ranjit Kumar. Welcome to Shabari Academy. On April 2nd, you are going to write Physical Science exam. The major task is how to crack the 40 out of 40 marks in our Physical Science subject. Actually, it is very simple task to get 40 out of 40 marks in our subject. If you know the paper pattern on which type of question they are asking, if you know clearly out of 9 questions which question they are asking, then you can easily crack the 40 out of 40 marks. Let us once go through our annual exam paper pattern. We have total 3 bits are there. First bit 3 questions will come. Out of that you have to write total. There is no choice. Totally 3 to the 6 marks. Then coming to the second bit, we have 4, 5, 6 questions are there. Again there is no choice. 3, 4 to 12 marks will come. Coming to the third bit, we have 3 questions will come. But out of 3 questions, you can write any 2. Here we can get the 1 choice. And obviously objective will get the 10 out of 10 marks. All you should attempt. Out of total 9 questions, you should attempt only 8 questions. These 9 questions cover from our 12 chapters. Now we observe the entire question paper pattern. In the first question, they ask about the uses. They ask about the use of things like convex mirrors, like lenses, serial images, what is the use of dispersion, like the questions will come. Coming to second question, there is a activity based question will be there. But in that one, total activity didn't ask. We ask only materials required or precautions to be taken. Only 2 to 3 lines answer for 2 marks. And here most important question, the marks decided factor. Maximum students, they lost marks in this question only. That is prediction. Prediction means simply what would happen if something is not happen. For example, what would happen if ciliary muscles are not working properly? What would happen if refraction is not there in the universe? What would happen if gravitation is not there in the universe? What would happen if there is no carbon compounds exist in the universe? So like that questions will come. For this question, we can simply write the answer. First you have to know the use of that particular topic. Then simply write opposite to that one. If you know the uses, then simply we can write those uses are not happen if that is not present on the universe or on the earth. Like that questions will come. Then coming to the fourth question, again uses is there. If you observe in the 1 mark, in the 2 marks, first question is uses is there, and 4 marks again uses is there. So if you observe, if you read the all uses, you can easily get the 6 marks. Then fifth question is a normal question, is a knowledge based question, general question from the all the lessons. And coming to sixth question, it is also easy to crack. So either they give tables or pie charts or information skills, and they are given the 4 sub questions. Out of 4 sub questions, 3 questions should be almost coming from the given table only. Fourth question is coming from the within the chapter or regarding the topic what they are discussing. So we can little bit take concentration about this one. And coming to the last bit, very most important mark gain bit. If you observe, diagrams will come. Compulsory one diagrammatic question will come. That to be from the ray diagrams, either convex mirror ray diagrams, concave mirror ray diagrams, or convex lenses or concave lenses. For this ray diagram, if they ask, we have to draw the ray diagram as well as the nature of image. We should write. If they are asked or not asked also, we can write the nature of image. Then it leads to good impression. Sometimes they will ask the eye defects also, myopia, hypermetropia, correction pictures and defect pictures we can practice. Out of this, if you observe, mirror ray diagrams are 6 plus 2 is there, totally 8. Lens also 6 plus 2. Myopia, hypermetropia, we have 4 pictures are there, including defect pictures. So total 24 pictures are there. If you practice those 24 pictures, we can easily get this 6 marks. Now again, if you observe, again activity is there. But this time it is the lengthiest answer. Still, we have in the activity aim, material, procedure, observation, precaution, result and picture. Like these subheadings are there. And again, he won't ask the total matter. Just is asking material and procedure, observation. Whatever he will ask in this question, as it is a long question, you should compulsory draw a figure. It will give the extra advantage to you. Generally, 90% they will ask procedure only. Procedure requires a picture. And the general question is knowledge based question. That means general normal question, other question, difference between concave convex mirrors, what is dispersion of light, formation of Webb jar, how carbon-carbons are helpful to us, esterification, sulfurification, chemical bond, hybridization, Bohr's model, that means Bohr-Sommerfeld model, quantum number. So different scenarios will come. So if you observe here, out of 9 questions, we should write only 8. Just in the third bit, we have only write 2. Just forget about the ninth one. Just to practice the diagram, all diagram, you get the 24 diagram practice, 6 marks will come. You just to practice the activities. Here 6 marks question, 6 marks will come. And in the first bit, one more 2 marks will come. That means if you practice the activities, we will totally get the 8 marks. And if you practice the diagram, we can easily get the 6 marks. Total 8 plus 6, 14 marks straight away we are getting here on. Then coming to the uses, one 2 marks question, one 4 mark question. Totally 6 marks. So previously 14 plus 6, totally 20 marks question. 20 marks here only come. Then coming to the table, 3 questions are within the table only. Just we have to observe. Then we will get 23 marks here only we will get. So simply here the twist maker is this prediction question and in the table the fourth question. If you crack these one easily, then we will get the 40 out of 40. The knowledge based questions also will come in the basic topics only. So every year they are make a twist in prediction and this is the table question. In the question paper of 30 marks, this 2 plus 1, 3 questions, 3 marks will be little bit difficult, not much more difficult, little bit difficult. If you read the question once again, once or twice or thrice, you can easily crack it. Then coming to the objective. Out of 10 questions, 7 to 8 questions are in a moderate range and remaining 2 questions little bit hard range. So maximum they have to cover from the textual, less than textual backside MCQs they are covered. And recently 2 years or 3 years back, government released Abhyas Deepkas. In that also some objective bits are there. Just we can practice that one. So this is about our question paper pattern. As already many people you know that many exams you written, essay also you written, prepare written. This is the pattern. Now which question we have to read to crack this one? How many are there? Out of 12 chapters, how many knowledge based type questions are there? How many diagram based questions are there? How many activity based questions are there? How many short answers are there? We can see now. Just go through these questions. Now we can start with a diagram based questions. If you observe here, concave mirror, as we said, this is 6 ray diagrams are there between P and F, B and C, between F and C, ATF, like that for 6 cases are there along with the object at infinity. And convex mirror, object at infinity and object in front of the mirror. So like that, lenses means convex lenses and concave lenses. Here convex lenses are real images, concave lenses are virtual images. And myopia 3 plus 1, hypermetropia 3 plus 1, already we discussed in that one. Then coming to Vibjar formation, electromagnetic wave, Bohr-Sommerfeld model, minor map, and this remaining diagram, all this will cover in the question answer. You no need to practice specially for this diagram. Generally, from this first 5 topics only, they will ask the ray diagram, that to 24 pictures. If you practice, you will get. Then coming to the second long question, that is activities. If you observe your activities, just observe this, just 1 minute wait. If you observe this one, if you observe, totally 17 activities only there in the entire textbook. Why I made this line means up to 10th is the S7 syllabus. That means 1 to 6 chapters. Then this 11 to 17 is the 7 to 12 chapter, the remaining syllabus of S7. Finding the focal length of spherical mirror and hydrogen activity, CO2 activity, electrolysis of water, chloroalkali process, water of crystallization. Like the different things are there. In this, many times repeated activity is this hydrogen activity, this CO2 and electrolysis process, many times repeated activities. And sometimes they ask the focal length depends on the surrounding medium or not for the 4 marks for the long question, but it is very small activity. So next, Ohm's law, many a time they are asking. So like the difference are there. If you observe here, total 17 activities only there. Sometimes they ask the water and air required for essential for corrosion. Same question also will ask. Simply here 17 activities if you read, 2 marks 1 question and 4 marks 1 question. Simply we get the total 8 marks easily from the 17th question. So from this automatically third bit will over. US question is over, diagram over, activities over. So first bit, second bit US are there and the third bit diagrams are over. And coming to activity, first bit and third bit activity is over. Now coming to the knowledge based question. Here if you read this knowledge based, this is a little bit more question, but don't worry about this one. This is almost 9 long questions are there up to 6 chapters. Remaining questions, 13 questions are there. Totally 22 questions are there. These are knowledge based questions. Just now we have got a doubt. Sir, ninth question is a knowledge based question. It will go for an extra. So why should we read? Of course, it is going in extra. But if you read this 1 to 12 question, 1 to 22 questions of long question, maximum 2 marks questions and 4 marks questions and objectives will cover. The entire 12 chapters will cover and we can easily crack the 40 out of 40 marks. And we can get the good marks in our physical science subject. So this is about the our knowledge based questions. Simply I drag the slowly, see here. Abos rule, Hund rule, and rule. Some questions I read 22 up to this one. Then if you observe, the 1 to 22 is the one long question type, and this 1 to 17 activities are the second long question. And these diagrams, of course, we are given all diagrams. If you observe, this remaining diagram covered in the first bit only, knowledge based questions only. You don't need to practice specially. So if you practice this mirror diagram, ray diagram, and defects, you can get easily. So this is about the diagrammatic question. So simply diagrams and activities if you read perfectly, you will crack almost 20 marks. Half of the marks you will get. And then why should we read the 22? Already I told you. If you read those one, it will be helpful in objective and 2 marks and 4 marks question. And now coming to the very short answers and short answer question. If you observe sign convention rule, making working of solar cooker. So total 1 to 20. These are first 6 lessons from reflection of light at plane surface to atomic structure. And next 21 to 40, these are the remaining 6 lessons. So 7 to 12. So if you read these 40 questions along with this long question, almost from those long questions if you read this, you will get the answer. Some miscellaneous topic which are not discussed in the 22 questions we are given here. This total 40. Around all these questions, roughly 90 to 100 questions will be there. But in the mostly questions are repeated questions. So nothing to worry. These are there. So this time our government given a beautiful chance to that almost 4 days of preparation. So first you can start with the knowledge based question. First day you can finish the knowledge based question of 22 and second day total finish the activity based question and third day don't go for diagram. Diagram you can easily draw. So simply go through the long question. Sorry, this is short and very short answer question up to 40. In 3 days this will be finished. In the fourth day morning session complete objective you can practice from the textual question from your materials whatever you are using or from the Abhyasa Deepkas. Mostly they are covered. And in the afternoon session, up to that you feel very tired, then you can happily enjoy to draw the diagrams. The last day on April 1st, afternoon to evening session, you can practice the diagram. Then April 2nd, you are going to crack the our physical science exam happily 40 out of 40. And next video, after 2 days, I will upload the objective bits, which are very important objective bits, which are covered so far in the final year exam papers and previous exam paper. We will discuss after 2 days later. Within the 2 to 3 days, if you finish this one, then that will be helpful to you. By April 1st morning, I will post you. Please share, like, and subscribe to our Shabari channel, Shabari Academy channel. And the people who required this information, please pass through them. And I will give this. Of course, you observe that this is a little bit moving. How can we write? You can pause the video and you can write it. Otherwise, I will send the PDF file in the description. I will give the link. You can copy from that one. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and comment. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much. Have a good day. All the best for our physical science exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.